Type your text and place it on top of your photo. Select the background layer and press Ctrl+J to duplicate it. Place this layer above the text layer. Right-click on this layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Select the text layer. Click on the FX icon and select Stroke. You can copy the settings I used, but you can also use different settings. Convert the background layer to a smart object. Go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. I use an angle of 0 degrees and a distance of 150 pixels, but you can also use different settings. Select the Move tool and the text layer. I use the arrow keys to place the text in the correct position. You can also adjust the text without losing the effect. And that's how you create this effect.